Right, so I had a noise. I was driving and I could hear a bump, bump, bump noise. And I thought, what the hell's that noise? I come out, checked it, looked underneath, couldn't see any problems. Just couldn't work out what the problem is. Anyway, so decided to jack the car up. So I jacked it up, and obviously I tried the nuts when it was parked and they wouldn't move. So anyway, I've just jacked it up and look, the actual wheel is loose. So these nuts, even though they feel like they're done up, have not been done up tight. So I'm kind of relieved, because I thought maybe there's something wrong with the brakes, or the caliper might have been loose. But it turns out I hadn't tightened up the nuts tight enough. So a lesson to us all. So if you do hear a clunking on your back wheel or front wheels or whatever, go out, check it, take a wheel spanner and just check that they are all tight. Don't check them by hand, because that ain't going to work. That's what I did. To actually get your wheel spanner out and tighten them. So hope that helps. Bye for now.